In this video, we are going to show you how to connect your ticket printer to your Grove Menus point-of-sale system. Connecting your ticket printer is not difficult, but there are some very important steps in order to make sure that your ticket printer is functioning correctly. When you first turn on your ticket printer, it should print out a page with your current IP address. You can also push the little button on the back to reprint. You may need a pen or pencil, as the button is typically very small and can be difficult to reach. If the printout has an IP address, a subnet mask, the gateway is something other than 0.0.0.0, and the DHCP is listed as enabled, then you should be ready to go. However, if you see no server static for the DHCP, then you need to make sure that the printer is connected to the network and that your router is set up to assign an IP address to the printer either through DHCP or by assigning it a static IP address. If you are having trouble with this step, you may need to reach out to your IT or engineering team. Once you have an IP address, you can use a web browser to navigate to the configuration page. The default login for both the username and password is Epson, E-P-S-O-N, all lowercase. Under Configuration, choose ePOS Print. First, verify that ePOS Print is set to Enabled. Second, confirm or modify the device ID. Make sure to note the device ID because it needs to match exactly with what you enter in Grove Menus. Third, verify that the printing method is set to either impact or thermal to match the printer you are configuring. Once you have confirmed these three things, we can now add the printer in Grove Menus under POS, App Settings, Ticket Printers. When you click the Add Printer button, it will first ask you for the URL and the device ID. The URL is the IP address. Remember to add the leading http:// or https://. If you're not sure, the default is HTTP. Also remember that the device ID must match exactly with what you have entered in the ePOS print settings. The default, again, is local_printer, all lowercase. Last, you will then need to specify which dining areas are attached to the printer by clicking the Add Dining Area, selecting the dining area, and then Add Dining Area button. If you need to add multiple dining areas, you will then click View Dining Area, the Add button, select the dining area, and then the Add Dining Area button. Now that the printer has been added, you should be able to place a test order on your tablet. If configured correctly, the printer should automatically print the ticket once the order is submitted. If needed, there are three additional settings you can modify: the number of copies printed, the font size, and the paper width. Note that the maximum font size supported by most printers is 2x. If you have any questions, please reach out to Logan at grovemenus.com.